The first hands-on coding play for kids, Cleverblocks. Learn to code with your hands. Coding is made simple with Cleverblocks. The on-screen commands turn into real blocks. With Cleverblocks, you can easily attach and detach the command blocks using magnets and arrange them to control the robot, Roboco. No smart devices or Wi-Fi needed, just creativity and fun. Colorful and easy to use. Each colorful block has a special function. Start with the main block and attach the Roboco device block. Then, combine and attach the blocks. Green move block. Pink rotate block. Purple fun block. Orange repeat blocks. Blue end block. Just press the play button, and Roboco moves as you programmed. The executing block lights up blue.
Good job!
Understand coding step by step. Memory blocks make even long and complex programs easy to handle. Use the step button to review each block and fix mistakes with ease. Cleverblocks makes learning basic coding concepts like sequences and loops simple and fun. And the best part? Swap out the device block to explore with different robots. Learn the basics of coding 100% screen-free. The first hands-on coding play, Cleverblocks.